Children, in this video we will study about the first law of motion. First law of motion. Uh, Newton further studied Galileo's idea on the force and motion and presented three fundamental laws that govern the motion of objects. These three laws are known as Newton's law of motion. First law of motion is stated as an object remains in the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change that state by an applied force, or in other words, all objects resist a change in their state of motion. What does it mean? That if any object is at the rest position, it will want to remain in the rest position, and if it is in the uniform motion, then it also resists in the uniform motion and it opposes the change in their state, and that is related to the inertia. The tendency, now we will study about the inertia. The tendency to understand undisturbed tendency of undisturbed objects to stay at rest or to keep moving with the same velocity is called inertia. And tendency of the body, tendency of the object to remain in the rest or to keep moving with the same velocity, this tendency is known as inertia, children. And that's why the first law of motion is also called the law of inertia. Certain experiences we come across while traveling in a motor car can be explained on the basis of law of inertia. When we are traveling in a motor car, with the application of brake, the car slows down, but our body tends to continue in the same state of motion because of its inertia. The sudden application of the brake may thus cause injury, impact, or collision with the panel in front. That's why we use the safety belts. Safety belts are worn to prevent such accidents. Safety belts exerts a force on our body to make the forward motion slower. And opposite and another experience we can also share on when we are standing in a bus and the bus begin to move suddenly. Now we tend to fall backward. This is because the sudden start of the bus brings the motion to the bus as well as the our feet in contact with the floor of the bus, but the rest of the body opposes this motion because of the inertia. And the same experience we feel when we are in the